Take a ride in 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, tire pressure monitor, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.